Wow, look at these giant manta rays. Wow, there's one here. Here's tons of them. What's the name of this island?
Takamakasa.
Yeah, I heard that. Takamakasa. Stuff you only see on Instagram. Komodo National Park, yeah! Look at that. Oh, you probably can't even see because of the sun. But we here. That says welcome. Got the park rangers. Yeah. Hello, sir.
How are you?
Pretty good. Yum. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
My name is Julian. What's your name?
Amir.
Amir. Okay. And what's the plan?
So we're gonna do medium trek. It's about 1 hour. But the time flexible. Sometimes more, sometimes not. Depends on fast you fall and more.
It's gonna be more.
So I want to say welcome to Komodo National Park, especially Komodo Island. Now we're in small place, but still around Komodo at Loliang. So Loliang was taken by from local language. It's mean bay and then it's mean hot or less Komodo dragon. So here beside the Komodo dragon, we cannot find those animals like white buffalo, kind of snake, yeah, deer. Yeah. So
they're that close.
yeah.
Oh wow.
Well, all animal here we not
It's a deer right there.
Deep all today because they are animals.
They're brave. Okay.
If we're alive, we never know where our stay. We just try to look for.
The Komodos.
Yeah, the Komodos.
But they're mainly in this area right here.
yeah.
So why they're in this area? Is it because you guys feed them and keep them there?
No, sometimes we saw Komodo dragon around here. It's a water hole.
Okay.
So this is the easy to find some water. Sometimes
Okay.
they stay there. And
Okay.
sometimes they enjoy here. This is our own kitchen. And the biggest strength because Komodo dragon don't like to hot like
Okay.
cool.
You have a gun? You have a gun? Shoot.
So I think that it's all. We're gonna keep walking. I hope you enjoy this way.
Thank you.
Okay.
We're going on a trip. Amir, how many is your name Amir?
Oh yeah.
How many dragons are on this island again?
On the island it's about 1,700.
Okay.
So on the island because so bigger, they move anywhere. Yeah. So Komodo dragon don't have space. I mean like
Like to spread out?
like a special place.
Mhm.
Yeah, they can move anywhere.
Okay, so they could be over here.
This place, the water hole. So sometimes Komodo dragons stay here in the early morning or afternoon or evening. Yeah, so looking for water. And you know this place is very good for hunting.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Because
Komodo
other
yeah, so Komodo dragon just make camouflage like a crocodile. Yeah, stay in the water. And when the those animal like wild pig or deer
Mhm.
come and drink water, and Komodo dragon very fast and they bite. So you know, Komodo dragon have more bacterial for to
Yeah.
kill the animal. Yeah, but need more the time. Sometimes 5 days, sometimes 1 week. Depends
Oh,
how
shoot. Okay.
bigger the animal.
Oh, okay.
Dragon was
So
big.
it could take more than one day.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also Komodo dragon not eat every day.
Okay.
Komodo dragon just eat once a month. When the Komodo dragon was found, some meat is about 40 kilogram. They cannot eat again until 1 month.
So they eat once a month?
Yeah,
Oh, wow. Okay.
like a snake. Also.
Yeah. It'd be easier as a human if we could eat once a month.
So Komodo dragon eat everything meat,
Mhm.
like buffalo, deer, human.
Oh, shit. Human meat might taste good. What the hell?
Komodo dragon. So
Whoa,
for
so that's the
eggs,
nest.
Komodo dragon must digging hole 2 meter deep, 1 meter
Okay.
vertical and 1 horizontal. And also Komodo dragon make camouflage hole because more the animal eat eggs like Komodo also, wild pig and snake.
Okay.
They can eat,
Wow.
eggs. So
That
every
is
years,
fucking huge.
Komodo dragon can produce eggs, 15 to 30 eggs, not for can to baby, just for eat
Eat the baby?
the baby. Yeah. So
The mom eats the baby?
yeah, right.
What the fuck?
So after hatching, the baby have a good instinct. They must climb on the trees.
Oh.
Yeah, for protect themselves because the big one they can climb on the trees because so big, so awake.
Yeah.
So on the trees, and the baby also they cannot 100% can live because have one predator like an eagle. They can hunt a baby. So
Then they got an ego. Their life is hard to
super
live.
life, and
Yeah.
they must go hiding. So on the trees, baby Komodo dragon.
See one?
We try to go there. No Komodo dragon here. Maybe around the home of that.
I don't know. So Roland don't think we'll see one. So let's see. It's actually a restaurant right here. Imagine getting up in the morning for work and you might have a Komodo waiting on you by the door. Still no Komodos. Oh, you see it? Wow.
There's another one.
Oh shit. Okay, so here goes one right here.
But that's dying.
Yeah, it's about on this. You wanna feed them?
No, we never feed them.
Oh, okay. Damn, so they gotta get it how they live it.
Can we go there?
And there's a big one.
Sure.
Or it's dangerous, this one? No?
Danger, but you must go.
It's looking at Damien. Think I can get my picture in?
Okay.
Now that he's looking up. He's back. He's back asleep. It's okay.
You good?
Yeah, I'm just recording.
Okay.
This one is very old right here. Can't do anything. I wonder if there's more up under there. See it right here. It's about 50 years old.
Picture together.
Oh yeah, group picture, group photo.
Picture.
Yeah. Too late for a picture?
Here, no. Here. He's looking like.
Oh, y'all ready? I ain't fit for society. So we ended up finding two of them back to back. One of them was half dead, and the other one 20 years old, young, healthy. That's it. We did it. Roland said they didn't went here.
Yeah. Good.
It's all good.
We're happy we found it.
That's what we came for.
Hope you enjoy. And God bless you.
Thank you. God bless you.
God bless
Thank you.
Thank you,
God bless
guys.
you too.
So this is a local film.
Of course. They're happy to see us. Souvenir shop.
Of course they have to be.
Oh, we got memories right here.
You want to find?
How much are the shirts? I want dragon eggs. Eggs.
Scrambled. Dragon scrambled eggs.
How much are the shirts? The shirt. How much? Is this big enough?
I have the XL. This the L. This the XL.
I want the red one. Yeah. What size is that? I do large.
How many t-shirts you want?
I'll just get one. And how much for this?
Same.
Do you have any for 100? Anything for 100? I don't need that. Yeah. Is that large? And how much are the hats?
200. 200
200?
per head. Look
Okay.
here. The gym for you. How much?
Okay.
How much you want per head?
What is this?
This is from the sale.
Okay. Okay, cool.
How much per head?
How
much you want?
Sorry.
Yeah, memory. How much?
I'm gonna just get the shirt.
How much head?
Do you have a shirt for 100?
Maybe dragon.
100 for this? Okay.
Yeah, how much for
I
you?
have enough.
How much? How much?
I don't know if I ever wear that. It looks nice though.
It's nice.
It's alright.
How much?
I don't need no more bracelets.
Perla.
I'm good. Oh, thank you.
How
Thank
much?
you.
How
Oh,
much
thank
for you? No?
No, I'm good. It's
How much?
alright.
Okay.
It's alright.
50 for 3.
I don't need no more magnets.
Looking at you. Hello. It's nice. No have.
I'll get this one.
Which one? Yeah.
This one for 100.
Dragon magnet. 100.
I got dragons.
Tomori.
Got it in my book bag.
Tomori papa.
I got it.
Porcelain.
Got bracelets. I don't need no more souvenirs. This is the thing about buying
Tomori papa.
tourists.
Komodo asbak. Asbab.
Hello, hello.
Hello, where from?
USA. Where you from? From this island?
From Komodo.
Komodo. Cool, cool.
Alhem on the island.
Nice. Get to see Komodos every day.
Okay. Where from?
USA.
USA.
Yeah. Living in Bali.
Oh, Bali.
Yeah.
Bali. Pidil Bali?
Have you been to Bali?
Good to Bali.
You go to Bali?
Bau Bali. Bau Bali.
You from Bali?
Bau Bali.
Bo Bali. Where's that?
Mainan.
Going on the boat too?
Yeah, maybe. Saan boat kecil. 100.
Nah, that's fine. I already got dragons in my book bag.
Yeah, it's a magnet.
I don't need more. I got the magnet.
Yeah,
I don't
you
need
know,
it.
kasih uang, money.
I don't need it.
Money.
Thank you.
You give money.
Ended up with a hat. Oh, good. It's not really fit though. Alright, we just got to our last stop. Before our last stop, this is Komodo Island. I actually don't know what to expect. So just going with the flow and see what happened from here. Alright. Not much here, just nice quiet beach with a lot of trash on the side. Came and got a bentang. How do I feel about today? Today was a great day. I feel like I probably caught my best content today. So excited about that. Have so much content. It'll last me for a very long time. Especially if I post once a week, twice a week. I know I should post every day. But yep. Trip was pretty good. I highly recommend this crew. I'll put their contact info below. And not sure how the rates will be by the time you guys get here, but I'll list all of that. I'll try to think about how much money I spent on souvenirs, park entries, park rangers. Definitely constantly spending money. I'm glad I brought enough cash. Constantly spending money. Each place. But you know, it's not much. It's just like kind of annoying. What else? Seen Komodo dragons. Oh, went swimming with the manta rays. Things were huge. That was pretty cool. Although I had my vest on, still enjoyed myself. And we should be headed back to the main island, Flores, or there's another name to it too. I still don't know the difference. I'll ask a local to explain. And all right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. It's my first time saying that. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get